Okay, I want to show you a quick tip about tying on your tail. First, we're going to start with some pheasant tail. And we're just going to take off a nice little clump, about just not a big one, about like that, And I'll cut that off. When you're doing this, this is a good way to keep the tail from sliding down. So we're tying right here, not quite on the bend. I'm going to get the first wrap in place, keep it on top. While we're tying, there's 2, there's 3, 4, and then all you need to do is put one little wrap back behind to secure it, and that gives it that little, it will keep it from flopping down on you. See how that's going to rest? So there's your tip on the tails, and you can wrap back forward and finish this one up. But that's your tail tip, and we'll move on to the next one.